Equality is when people of the same country or society all enjoy the same opportunities and rights. An equal right to express themselves, equal access to education, to political participation, and have in every way equal rights and enjoy the same opportunities. We might be most familiar with gender equality, which is very understandable if we look back, as it is the biggest equality issue in recent history. Men and women are equal here. It is very good. Women help with everyday routine, for example, with expenses, if the husband and the wife work together. They can provide the needs of the family together. I feel independent. I go to work, get money, you have income. They do not have to look at whether they are a man or a woman. They just look at how you work. It gives you the feeling of being human, not a woman or a man.
The feelings of being a human, not a woman or man.
Individuals who are married or live together are equal. One is not in charge of the other. There is no head of the family who rules. There are two equals who come to an agreement on things. Gender equality is an important part of all discussion about equality, but it is not the end of the discussion because we have to consider other types of equality. In the past decades, we have looked at equality from the aspect of sexual orientation, gender identity, and other factors. People do not judge you based on what you identify as. You come out the way you want, and people do not judge you for your sexual orientation. That makes me feel like we're all very equal. Straight people treat me the same. Gay people, lesbians, the LGBTQI community. I feel like we were all very equal in Iceland. To comment on the Gay Pride Parade in Iceland, for me, it is a magical experience. It shows me that there is more equality here than in other places where I have lived in the world. My first experience attending the Gay Pride, I saw children, I saw old people, I saw young people, I saw parents. Everyone was super supportive and they were not judging, just loving. For me, there is equality on a different level. You have the same material rights, you have the same legal rights, you have the same rights towards people, to services, towards the state. The quality of life. What is the purpose of getting married? What is the purpose of living together? The first thing is sharing. If the woman works outside and the man also works outside, when they come home, they help each other. It's nice. There is a clause in the Constitution that bans discrimination. We have legislation that bans discrimination in the labor market. We also have legislation that bans discrimination based on origin and race in all spheres of society. We have also ratified the United Nations Convention on the Rights of Disabled People. We have extensive legislation that is meant to ensure everyone equal rights. When we look at equality in Iceland, we are doing well by all measures. The experience of most people in Iceland is that we have seen great advances with equality in the past years. We must, however, never consider equality to be a point or an end goal. Even though we can measure equality at a certain point in time, it is always, at the same time, a task before us.